Welcome to Health Hive. Bye Dandruff, the ultimate guide to flake-free hair. Hey there, struggling with dandruff? Well, worry no more because we've got you covered with our ultimate guide to flake-free hair. Say bye-bye to dandruff and hello to luscious locks. A skin ailment known as dandruff mostly impacts the scalp. The signs include peeling and sporadic light itching. It may lead to issues with one's social or self-esteem. Seborrheic dermatitis is a more severe variation of the illness that includes skin irritation. Although the exact origin is unknown, it is thought to be a combination of hereditary and environmental factors. The condition may deteriorate throughout the winter. It is not a result of inadequate cleanliness, and the overgrowth of skin cells is the underlying process. Symptoms are used to make a diagnosis. About 50% of adults suffer from dandruff, with men being more frequently affected than women. Additionally, people all across the world are impacted. Beginning typically at puberty, it becomes less prevalent around the age of 50. First and foremost, let's talk about shampoo. Choosing the right shampoo is crucial in combating dandruff. Look for anti-dandruff shampoos that contain ingredients like selenium sulfide, ketoconazole, or pyrithione zinc. These active ingredients help to reduce the occurrence of dandruff and soothe the scalp. Consider your hair type as well. Some anti-dandruff shampoos might work better on thicker hair, while others might have substances that work best on thin, fine hair. Additionally, you should be aware of how frequently the shampoo should be applied and apply it as necessary. You shouldn't pick a shampoo meant to be used just once a week if you wash your hair every day. When washing your hair, make sure to massage the shampoo into your scalp gently. This helps to remove excess oil and dead skin cells that contribute to dandruff. Be sure to rinse thoroughly to avoid any residue. Next up, we have conditioning. While it's essential to condition your hair, make sure to focus on the ends rather than the scalp. Applying conditioner to the scalp can lead to product buildup and worsen dandruff. So, keep that conditioner away from your roots. A conditioner can be compared to a skin lotion created specifically for the hair and scalp. Zinc, pyrithione, sulfur, and tea tree oil are the most often used antifungal ingredients in anti-dandruff conditioners. Salicylic acid, despite not being an antifungal drug, has also demonstrated some promise in symptom reduction, but its potency may not be sufficient on its own. Combination with an antifungal increases potency. Since different people are likely to respond differently to the numerous components used in any given formulation, it is challenging to identify the one best conditioner. It could be more beneficial to offer a list of evaluation standards so you can pick the best conditioner. Now, let's address an important factor, your diet. A healthy diet is crucial for a healthy scalp. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fatty fish and walnuts, can help reduce inflammation and promote a healthier scalp. In addition to dryness or oiliness of the skin, a poor diet can also contribute to dandruff. The quality of our scalps is significantly influenced by our diet, therefore keeping a close eye on what you consume is crucial. Dandruff flare-ups can be brought on by unbalanced gut flora. Include garlic, onions, and scallions in your diet to maintain a healthy digestive system because they contain allicin, which can cause your scalp to become prone to flaking. Allicin is a beneficial substance with antibacterial and antifungal properties that can help treat dandruff. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for overall scalp health, as it helps to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated. You already know how important water is to your health. You might be unaware of the effects it has on your scalp. Your skin, including your scalp, acts as a protective shield between you and the outside world, allowing only the good stuff, water, nutrients, in while keeping the bad stuff, germs, pollutants, irritants, out. It requires water to stay healthy, just like every other cell in your body. Your skin may start to dry up and flake if you don't drink enough water. Your scalp deteriorates, becoming leaky and less capable of performing its function. It's crucial to treat your dry scalp from the inside out in addition to treating it externally with conditioner or oils. Maintaining your skin's health and hydration by drinking adequate water. Try to consume 8 8-ounce glasses of water or more each day. If you're dealing with persistent dandruff, it may be worth adding a medicated treatment to your routine. These treatments may include gels, creams, or ointments containing active ingredients that target and eliminate dandruff-causing fungus. To find a routine that works for you, you might need to test out a few different products. And you'll probably require ongoing or prolonged treatment. Stop using any product if you experience stinging or irritation after using it. Seek emergency medical treatment if you experience any symptoms of an allergic response, such as a rash, hives, or breathing difficulties. Shampoos for dandruff are categorized based on the medication they include. Some are accessible by prescription in stronger forms. Lastly, don't scratch. Scratching the scalp can worsen dandruff and lead to irritation. Regular dandruff removal is advised to clear hair follicles of debris that could eventually store additional microorganisms. But frequent scratching can cause sores and scabs, which will further irritate your scalp. Dead skin cells called dandruff flakes fall off your scalp and are loosened by scratching or touching your head. In order to avoid aggravating your itchy scalp further and starting a vicious cycle, it is best to repress the temptation to touch it. If you feel the urge to scratch, opt for a gentle scalp massage instead. Remember, getting rid of dandruff takes time and consistency. So, be patient and follow these tips regularly for the best results. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to getting rid of dandruff. Say adios to those annoying flakes and hello to confident, flake-free hair. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips. Stay fabulous.